mañana. ¿En el World Trade Center? Ah, qué bueno, mi amor, felicidades. Y a ver cuándo me invitas a Nueva York. It's nothing but some feelings that this old dog kicked up. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I've always been a fighter. Without you, I give up. Hola, oye, necesito que me acompañes, por favor. Vamos, al aeropuerto, vamos. Ay, déjame.